Kikhubor ka Batesi TV. Lawan Rashapi taka Frank Motors, the all-new Altros. Now, with more exciting features.
Ke estimate committee jong ka ying darbar thawang ke jilla balalam khamat daw MLA ka nongpo constituency uba mineral bonds im kum chairman kalahia Jurip ya ka jingte ya ka building ITI ka badan hakashnong Sakwang southwest Khasi his district ringkat ka jing senran lang jong MLA ka north Shillong constituency uba Adelbert nongrum u MLA ka Maukurwat constituency uba Renikton lang dot tongkhar u MLA jong ka Jowai constituency uba Weilan Miki Shilla ke MLA jong ka Ampati constituency ka Miani di Shira u MLA jong ka Ramrajangam constituency u Remington Gabel Moment u MLA jong ka Umroy constituency u ba Daman Bait Lamare ba u MLA jong ka Silsila u Arbin Stone Marang kani ka jing Jurip jong ka estimate committee ya kani ka building jong ka ITI ka longman pentikna bakal nong ka basngan chwaman pli pat ba ya ka jing ajing hikai shakisam la puli jong ka than
then wireman, then computers, office assistant and computers, then multimedia animation and special effect, and driver cum mechanic. Those are the 5 trades that we will start.
Only internal. Then have you made a proposal?
So they will submit the estimate and we will send it to Delhi.
External verification.
Yes.
And external water supply. But internal you have completed.
All the projects are having the same.
I just we have to encounter
this
residential school without hostel.
Made it functional, and I will request from my end also if it could be made functional as soon as possible. If I've seen in the write-up that you are planning to start the session within October of this year, so if that can be done, it will be great. So that is my request to you. But in the meantime, what I will suggest is that you need to have some person, especially as you have said that recruitment is going on. But Chowkidar, I think now it's needed. Whether you employ in daily wage or I don't know how, but you need some person to look, because it as of now it's beautifully done. So if it kept just for 1-2 months also, I don't know what will happen to this place. So that is my concern, and I would request the department to please look into it.
Institution here has come up to the stage that we are here today, at the stage of completion of the construction. I'm very, very happy to express my sincere thanks to the department for sanctioning this project, this institution out here, the PWD building, for executing this work properly, and the contractor as well. Even though we understand that there are some remaining part, that is to take over, the contractor to hand over to the PWD building and building to hand over to the department. So this remaining part, I will request you to process and to complete as early as possible. We want to see the light of the day, and that is to function this institute. Our students from here, they are still taking the learning from outside the district as of today, and we are hopeful that as soon as this institute start from here, you will get many students who would like to join here, and I know that you will have the space will not be sufficient to accommodate all the students. Therefore, I want to request once again that let us work together to ensure that we start functioning this institute as early as possible and as planned. We understand that there are some reasons, some excuses that we may say that we still need electricity, we still need water supply, but I want to tell you one thing, that you will not get 100% to have everything at one go. Therefore, let us bear with all these insufficient things that are still there, short the basic needs that are still there, because we know that we will be able to complete to get everything only when we have staff in place out here, because the staff who will be working here, they will be responsible and they will work, they will run to find out for the need of this institution. Therefore, I want to request that because you have seen the electricity, even though we know that external electricity is still needed to be, the work need to be done, but luckily we have this electric pole here nearby this institute. Therefore, it will not cost that much because we have already had here. And the water also, you have seen that we are standing here, but there are water around us, so the water also not much problem. We can arrange temporarily. And fortunately also the work is going on in full swing now. Our IDF water supply scheme are there from PHE department to give water to each and every house of this village, Sakwang, 3 villages here. And I hope PHE can manage to keep this institute also one pipe, because this scheme is under our IDF. Therefore, let us hope that everything, the need, the basic need of this institution will be available very soon. Therefore, I want to encourage once again to the department that as you have planned to start the functioning of this institute, let us go ahead with that. And I request you once again to complete all the formalities so that we see that this institute will start.
We are very happy from the department. We express our gratitude to the PWD who has completed the work very satisfactory. The work is very satisfactory as we have witnessed. 2 issues are remaining which are important for the commissioning of the institute, that is the water supply and electrification. We hope we can get the estimate at the earliest from PWD. We have already been coordinating, and once we get that, we will resolve that issue, and we will strive, we will work hard to ensure that the institute is commissioned and started at the earliest. Ngin la kat bala ban ngin la ban sedang ya ki classes jong kanika institute hakaport kapa hakaport ka belum ya dia abakloi ya ki instructors, the instructors and non-teaching staffs, the interview has already been conducted. Departments because they are under contractual. So the departmental selection committee has conducted the interviews. The results will be declared soon as we take over the building, and the inauguration of the building has completed. We'll have our people in place. And also the materials. The materials are also procured. Once we take over the building, even the materials will be available for the commissioning of the building.
And now we are here in Sakwang for the inspection of this ITI here. We would like to express our sincere thanks to the landowner or the community who have donated land at the Kaman of I. Nagasinong, the Isumha, free of cost. Publish good Nagamutajum, Lambajum, Sorgaring, I could lay door Barsinong Baro, Kibalano, Subhai, and Jaka, Umduna, Sawaka, Malumala, Kalomta, Yakabala, Isumha, and Jaka, the Internet, Nagabantaban, Snaganeka, ITI. They should go in Fiba, but committee is in Fiba. But at the same time, special thanks to the department, employment and craftsmen, and then the building, being the implementing agency, and the committee observed, and we find out that it is quite satisfactory that the work is always 100% completed as per the record. You have seen the administrative block, and you have seen the rooms where the practical will be held here. And we have seen the surrounding fencing also has been completed, even the compound has been properly made. So the committee is happy to see, and we also do give thanks to the contractor also, Swkh, who has completed the work. We hope to see that another issue that is still there, to make it full functional, as we have said in our inspection inside, where the external electrification, at the same time water supply need to be in place, and also manpower is already in place for sanctioning of manpower and all. And we would like to see that as soon as possible, when the committee also will submit a report, and if there is any issue from the department concerned that you want to flag off, any issue with regards to the completion of this project, you can flag off now. We'll take cognizance of the issue that will be raised here in front of us, and also other issue from the PWD building also, if there is any issue, and also from the district administration also. So on this note, and we are happy to see that all the 5 trades that has been prepared to be made fully functional here. So we hope to see the light of the day. Kani kalau ngejing mentoy nagamantagi pajba ang song jong the Southwest Kasil District, Agaba, Mungkawi ni district kiba pada Slam Tham, no, Slam Arajar Khatar bala ni district, mentai la yo ni ITI kaba internet. Nang pengjing mentoy jeng ki kun samla jong gedong bagathan ban training yalade hakini ki santli kini snat rekam kibaka department jong ka employment and craftsmen lade banbu ha kaneka jaka kumbala apa Swkh kini ki trade kiberan hang ni ki nagamenta ka surface ornamentation technique with embroidery and surjan nang ta kini ki wireman ban snalaj nang ta kini ka OACP kini ka full form kini ka mulun ki office assistant computer program nang ta ka basaw kini multimedia animation special effect nang ta kabasan kini driver kom mechanic kini kini samla kini yo ban kijing kai ba per nani kan long jing mentoy na banta jong ki nong song snong jong kan ka district ka bi ki jongi Southwest Kasil apo jong ne headquarter mau kerwat Sakwang ni di kalong jing tumen ka ba buku komiti ka bingawan ha kini ngapor ngidap ni dokumen bangi iba kam kaya setiap ada kloy bagi rayu stay gidang dam kini benta kiba wa alam pun snong yang department yang ka implementing agency yang ka snong ru kita dokter yang lokal MLA iba training ibe kum trying presnong ni kin snong di bahadin haswa bakin yo ni benta gitu order honorable member also you can participate by advice or any issue you want to you can take part in this question. Before that, I would like to call the director to say a few words after that.